To Jamb 2012 Economics Past Question number 12. When the slope of total utility curve is declining, the marginal utility of a consumer will be increasing. Now, total utility curve that refers to the total amount of satisfaction a consumer derives from the consumption of a commodity at a particular time. As a consumer uses more and more of a commodity, its utility increases until it gets to a maximum point. So option C, which says increases the quantity consumed, is the correct answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.